If you need to close your Venmo account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Venmo account using the mobile app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Transfer your balance. Before closing your account, transfer any remaining balance to your bank account. Go to the Manage Balance section and select Transfer to Bank to complete this step. Step 3. Clear payment history. To maintain your privacy, consider clearing your payment history. You can do this by going to your transaction history and removing any unwanted transactions. Step 4. Navigate to Account Settings. In the app or on the website, go to your account settings. Look for the option that allows you to manage or close your account. Step 5. Follow closure instructions. Follow the prompts to officially close your account. You may need to confirm your decision and provide feedback on why you are closing your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Venmo account will be closed. Make sure to keep any necessary records before finalizing the process.